In my last video, I told you about the Saturn finger. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the third finger, the ring finger called as Apollo. So, I would be telling you about the thickness and the lean towards the Saturn finger and how to know a lot about a person by just looking at the Apollo finger. In this video, we are going to discuss about the ring finger or the Apollo finger, as it is on the mount of Apollo. So, it is also called as the Apollo finger, the sun finger. So, basically this finger concerns artistic or musical talent or appreciation, love and being a part of the family. So, the qualities of Apollo are enhanced if it is long, but if it is small, then that person does not have those qualities of artistic requirements out of it. So, now we are going to discuss about the third finger in relation to the other fingers. So, now this is the Apollo finger now, and we are going to discuss the relation it has with the first finger, and that is the index finger. Now, if it is much longer than the first finger, here we can see that it is of equal length, but in case it is much longer than the first finger, then this person has love of art, but no ambition to sustain it or bring any results. Now, if it is equal to the first finger, as you can see in this hand, this person has a great desire for fame and riches. But if it is, you can see, smaller than the first finger, so in that case, the ambition blinds the subject as to his real merit. So, as you can make out in this, we have it of the same length. So, this hand generally shows that there is a great desire for fame and riches. Now, we are going to discuss about the phalanges. So, this is the first phalange, this is the second one, and this is the third. Here the first phalange is more towards artistic inspiration. So, basically if it is balanced, so this person has that kind of inspiration, but if it is in excess, then obviously he does not, the artistic tendencies are unbalanced. So, next we are going to talk about the second phalange. So, if it is a normal one, so it is common sense blended with talent, and if it is in excess, so basically this person is like towards stifling inspiration is out there. The third phalange deals with love of brilliant show. So, basically if it is in excess, like here we see it is a normal one. So, but in case it is a little flabby or thick, so it shows that it is towards foolish display. Next we are going to discuss about the shape of the fingers. Now, again I would like to tell you there are four kinds of shape: the pointed, conical, square, and this is spatulate one. Here we see it's more, again it's like let us discuss about the shape of the Apollo finger out here. So, if it is pointed, this person is more into art and poetry, and if it is conical, as we can see in this hand, it is towards artistic thought. If it is square, then there is truth in art, and if it is spatulate, it is, this person really loves the drama kind of thing. So, that is all we have regarding Apollo finger, or as we call the sun finger. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. We would also like to have your comments, and if you want us to improve our further videos, please let us know.